Looking for an affordable classic car project? We've got 11 vintage rides priced under $2,500, from muscle cars to cruisers. Whether you're into Mopars, Buicks, or Chevys, there's something here for every classic car enthusiast. Some run, some need work, but all have serious potential. Check them out. 1. 1968 Plymouth Fury III, $750, Palmyra, Virginia. A 1968 Plymouth Fury, mostly original aside from the paint, priced at $750. It features a solid 318 V8 engine that appears untouched. The car was last on the road in 2003. The driver's side floor pan has some rust, but the trunk retains its original mats and spare. It comes with a clean title, though the previous owner blacked out buyer details. Sold as is for a quick sale. Tot 2. 1975 Lincoln Continental, $1,500, Flat Rock, Alabama. A 1975 Lincoln Continental four-door sedan project car, priced at $1,500. It includes both the engine and transmission, but does not currently run. Originally bought as a restoration project, but now needs a new home. Would make a great classic cruiser with some work. 3. 1965 Oldsmobile 88 sedan, 1500 Fort Wayne, Indiana. A 1965 Oldsmobile 88 sedan priced at $1,500. It features a Ford 25 Super Rocket engine and automatic transmission. The car ran and drove when parked, but has since had its windows broken. A solid restoration project for an Oldsmobile enthusiast. SAR 4. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair, $2,000, Fall Branch, Tennessee. A 1963 Chevrolet Corvair sedan with factory air conditioning, priced at $2,000. The car does not currently run but has been heard firing before. It comes with brand new tires that have only seen about 100 feet of use. A great candidate for a restoration. Prosher 5. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $2,500, Mount Orab, Ohio. A 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 project car, priced at $2,500. The sale includes multiple parts cars, a 1978 Berlinetta, a 1978 RS, and a 1977 LT, all automatics. Comes with extra turbo transmissions and a 305 engine. The 1977 and 1979 models have titles. Will roll onto a trailer for transport. Package deal only, no separate sales. Six. 1984 Buick Riviera Coupe, $2,500, Orland Park, Illinois. A 1984 Buick Riviera Coupe with only 37,000 miles, priced at $20,500. It runs and drives well, featuring an automatic transmission and a clean title. A stylish classic luxury coupe with low miles for its age. Now 7. 1971 Dodge Monaco, $2,500, Owensville, Missouri. A 1971 Dodge Monaco two-door coupe, priced at $2,500. This car was parked in 1976 and has no title, making it ideal as a parts car. It is a fully loaded model with a 440 V8 engine and automatic transmission, a rare Mopar find with plenty of valuable components. Eight, 1969 Cadillac DeVille d'Elegance, $2,500, Gary, Indiana. A 1969 Cadillac DeVille d'Elegance four-door sedan, priced at $2,500. This classic land yacht does not come with the title. The seller is open to trades for a truck. Nine, 1964 Buick Riviera Coupe, $2,500 in Kentucky. A 1964 Buick Riviera Coupe project car, priced at $2,500. It was originally purchased as a restoration project but has not been worked on in years. It had a running engine when first bought but has not been started recently. Comes with a clean title. Data 10. 1965 Buick LeSabre, $2,000, in Georgia. A 1965 Buick LeSabre two-door hardtop, priced at $2,000. The car was taken in on trade and is in solid shape for its age. Some rust is present, particularly in the trunk pan and under the rear window. A great candidate for restoration. E11, 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass sedan, 2500s, Jefferson City, Missouri. A 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass four-door sedan priced at $2,500. The car runs and will be drivable within 2 weeks. The title is currently being processed with proof of paperwork available. Comes with a parts list of installed components and additional parts included in the sale. The price will go up once the car is running and plated.